Bonjour everyone. I'm live, right? Oh yeah, I am. So we're doing the sew-in today on the Who's So Cute, aka Jackie. And we're doing a does nobody want to hear Melissa and Joey?
Well, you told me not to watch Dexter.
Yeah, I didn't.
You said I'm going to be watching that one.
Yeah, well, I don't want you to watch anything. Now we fighting on live. Jackie is so inconsiderate. Don't nobody want to hear that.
Just start sewing.
See, she's annoying. So we're doing a sew-in. We're doing a I was about to say a U part, a flip over method sew-in, which is like one of my favorite / least favorite sew-ins. It's my favorite to wear, but not necessarily my favorite to do. Actually, I don't mind doing it. It's just the flip over part. It's real tedious. And we are using my Brazilian deep curly hair extensions.
Who's the one person?
I don't know. Why you gotta put me on blast?
Oh, I was about to say.
I guess it doesn't tell you like Instagram does. But I save them anyway. People can watch them later. As I was saying, y'all ever watch videos of me and Jackie, then y'all already know what to expect. Jackie being Aggie. But this texture is new. Just added it to my website. It looks pretty wavy right now, but it's only because I've been combing through it while sewing it in. And she only got a partial net on because she doesn't like to wear nets, and I usually don't give her one. But because I'm doing a flip over, I like a net at the top for where I do the flip over part. Oh, while I'm recording, do y'all see how her head is up straight? That is the proper way to hold your head when getting your hair done. Unless your hairstylist split it some other way. Because I don't know why y'all think I can do sew-ins with y'all hair all the way down here. No. No, ma'am.
No, man, no man.
See, now you know that was hood rat. Jackie hates when I squeeze her cheeks, but they're just the best. Oh, for people who don't know, because I realize y'all might not know who I am or who she is. This is my sister. So this is the length, 30-inch bundles. And I'm going to come back later. I'm going to save this. And I'm going to come back when I'm close to the end because I'm not about to do a whole sew-in on live. Too much time. And when we wet it, it'll get curlier. Again, this is the deep curly. I also have deep wave. This is the deep wave. And it's a lot wavier after you wash it. It's more like that wig up there, which I don't think you can see. Can't really see it, but that's deep wave too. Alright guys, I'll be back later. Jackie! Jackie is just retarded.
Your mama.
Her fault.
Yep, and I'm gonna tell her too.
You a snitch. So
6'9"
this is the flip over method sew-in. You really don't need any leave out. Like I just wear a bandana over my leave out. I'm gonna undo her leave out.
You're a little cute, sis.
What? Look. If you don't get yo.
Jesse and Jay.
Jesse and Jay.
Oh, that was Tiana Taylor. Oh. First one.
What the hell's wrong with her? She look like a pixie. Oh, I forgot I was on live. My bad, y'all.
95% of all fatalities.
Can you put that idiot off while I'm on live? Shh. I don't want to hear his crackhead. This stuff smells good.
He said fatality.
Are you trying to say fatality?
95%.
It's dumb as hell. He must have went to King.
Tearing down of that home.
What did you say?
To you there, reality memories, sex, zero.
Ooh, that. And that's it. Spray it down. See if I can get a better view.
Hey,
What the hell was
that was the chair.
Oh, Jackie is so aggravated.
You do nice here too.
Not now. Why would they touch me? Put your head back.
I don't know what you want.
Dang. I'm so sorry. I forgot I was on this thing so loud.
I got a potty.
Shut the hell up. They don't care.
I have to. They're human too.
Shit. I just want to. Oh.
Goodness.
Anyone tuning in, this is my sister. Please ignore us. You don't have to have a lot to leave out. Like, she literally has no. Anyways, that's the flip over sewing. My favorite sewing in the whole wide world. I call this the Denise Hustable.
I gotta pee.
You can wait.
I've been waiting, bruh.
She is aggravating.